size no longer defines performance. Smaller size, bolder possibilities. 249 grams, light as a small carton of milk. 0.8 meter drum space delivers doubled density in finer pixels. Transportation, one case handles everything. Storage space cut by 70%. Costs slashed again and again. Stage grand drone shows with a lightweight setup. Original folding propellers design. Compact yet powerful. Full bank RTK plus dual vision plus multi-layer geofences, rainproof and cold resistant. Multi-redundancy safety protection, impenetrable safety barrier. Smart interconnection, efficient collaboration. Compatible with a brand new Butterfly Dance AI engine. AI takes full charge from dance design to aerial light shows. Compatible with all legacy high-grade drone fleets. Mixed model flights paint stunning sky canvases together. Auto return after landing. Full charge right inside the case. All in one case for takeoff, landing, and charging. Minimal setup. Ready next show anytime. High-grade EMO MINI. Small. Rule the next dimension.